Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Mahadev channel. Here we are getting started with Python. Here, firstly, we discuss about introduction. In this, how this discover and what is Python. Firstly, that is, what is Python? Python is nothing but it is a programming language which is used to develop any program, any link or any web page. Okay, and it is developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. It is based on means Python is based on are influenced with two programming languages, that is AB languages. First, that is AB language, ABC language, and second one is Modula 3, which is in your NCERT also. These informations are given. Okay. Then turn to next, that is then the basic part, that is where this word means where this Python means name, how this name was occurred, or why uh, Guido Rossum named this language as a Python. In your NCERT, in note page, there is written, that is there is a comedy show which name was Monty Python. Comedy show, that is Monty Python. Monty Python's Flying Circus. ओके, इसी की वजह से उन्होंने क्या रखा, पाइथन नाम रखा. ठीक है, पाइथन क्या रखा, नाम रखा पाइथन. ठीक है, इसी के बेस्ड पे. देन आता है हमारे पास अलग अलग लैंग्वेज भी है हमारे पास पाइथन के अलावा, और भी लैंग्वेज है जावा, C++. ये सभी जो है वो एक क्या है, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. दीज आर द प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज which is used to develop program databases. Databases के लिए अलग से है SQL. We have also discussed in next video about SQL. Okay. This Python is very simple, and it is more rapidly and growing in the top 3 level. In top 10, the Python is here. Okay, there. And we are now discuss about other thing, how to download it is. That the procedure is very simple. Okay. Then in next video I will give you a video to how to download Python in your mobile or in your computer also. Okay. Thank you.